To split the screen on your computer, which consists of a PC or a Mac, you can go into the upper left-hand corner of a Mac, click on the green button, and this will slightly reduce the size of the screen, which allows you to drag to the left or to the right, splitting the screen. On your PC, which is a Microsoft computer, click on the upper right-hand corner in the box button, which will allow you to slightly reduce it, where you can go ahead and drag to the left or to the right, or any place you want. If you click on any blank area of the upper toolbar on any program on your PC, it will also allow you to do the same thing. But if you drag all the way to the left or to the right, it will create a ghost image showing you that you are splitting this by 50%. And on the other side, you can go ahead and click on any one of the other programs or applications that are already open, allowing you to split the screen 50-50. In Windows 11, you can also go ahead and hover over that box in the box button. It will give you choices. In this case, let me go ahead and split this by 25%, which will put this in the upper left-hand corner. I can go ahead and put this one in the upper right-hand corner. And of course, as you can see, keep on going down to whatever you want. It's pretty amazing that you have the ability to literally split the screen any way you want. To go ahead and open it back up, simply click on the box button in the upper right-hand corner. It will expand it to normal size.